Welcome aboard the 2020 Grady-White 456 Canyon. My name's Kip Beaudry, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough and show you some of the great features of this all-new model. We'll start out on the transom of the 456. You'll notice quad Yamaha 425s with custom paint, Grady-White and coastal fog, which matches the hull color on this particular boat. So it doesn't matter which side you want to pull the fish in on the 456, starboard or port, dive doors on both. Across this 14-foot beam, you'll notice port and starboard live wells and a ginormous refrigerated and freezer-cooled fish box. So we're sitting on the mezzanine seat. You'll notice seats 3 to 4 comfortably, AC at your back, footrest below, sure shade up above. What better way to troll or fish? With a lot of design and thought put into this particular boat, you have your plexiglass here where you can put up to a 24-inch screen while facing aft and trolling, whatever you'd like to watch your fish or use your GPS chart plotter or Sat TV, your choice. I'm going to take you down below and show you some of the great offerings below the deck. What you hear running is our diesel-powered Fisher Panda generator, as well as, notice, ample storage, easy Seacock access. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper 6 as well. So you have 2 great amenities at the mezzanine. Wash your hands, cut your bait, you have that on the port side. Making our way to the starboard, you have the grill option, cooking while everyone's fishing, or just sitting out on those islands. So we made our way to the helm area. Notice full enclosure up for those rough days. Everyone wants to be protected. Whether it's cool or hot, you have that AC at the helm. Quad helm seats. Each seat moves independent as well, electrically. Looking forward, lots going on here. You have your Fusion Apollo head unit, your bow thruster, our Seakeeper, which is in full function, your C-Zone system. C-Zone is a monitoring for AC and DC power, your Yamaha gauges, your zip wake, which is your trim tabs, ignitions all the way across the bottom, throttles, and of course, don't forget the great function of the set point feature in Helm Master, which is awesome for when you're bottom fishing on this boat. So here we are coming down the steps into this beautiful galley area. You'll notice at our switch panel, your main C-Zone system controls everything on the boat, your helm and cabin controls for AC, and your Fisher Panda control. Easy access to everything on the Grady-White. What a large head on a 45-foot boat. Come in, shower, clean up. Looking to store your rods, keep them clean? You can do it. Up to 4 rods. Interchange them, clean them all, keep them fresh. Here we are at the galley. Notice everything finished out with a clean stainless bezel, your cooktop stove, your sink on the starboard side, your convection oven, and more storage to the port. Notice the beautiful cabinetry all throughout the lower cabin. Lastly, we've made it forward to the dinette, where you have your TV, great seating with a beautiful table, and rod rack storage on the port and starboard side. What a great day boat the 456 Canyon can be. Spacious bow, sun pad for 3, more space up here for 4. You have your tables here, retract up and down, your backrest. Just what a great boat all around to do everything you want to do with your family. Want to enjoy those beautiful sunny days sitting up on the bow? You can do it. With this teak fiberglass table, retracting down just for the sun pad, or bringing them up just to entertain and have a nice cocktail up on the bow. We would like to thank you for watching this video aboard the all-new Grady-White 456 Canyon. We hope to see you soon, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.